Am I seriously going to tell you right now how I love 0% credit cards? Yes. When used responsibly, credit cards can help you save money and make money. I love 0% interest credit cards for several reasons. One, if you are trying to grow your emergency fund, a 0% interest credit card can be very helpful while you're saving for that emergency fund. It allows you to come up with your own payment plan for large purchases that you had not planned out. Or maybe you did plan them out. So I have used these 0% entry level credit cards for buying a new roof for my home, buying a new roof for my rental, buying a new AC. Use them for planning out vacations or if I have an emergency with my children. So it allowed me to come up with a payment plan so that I could help cash flow and offset that large expense for a single month. You are able to earn cash back, sign up bonus, $200, $300, whatever it is, on a large purchase, as well as cash back return, 1.5%, 2%, depending what it is, on that purchase. So I bought a new roof with 2 0% interest credit cards. My husband and I both signed up. We earned $200 cash back each, so that's $400, plus 1.5% cash back return, which was an additional about $180. We received $580, plus making our own payment plan to pay off in full at the end. The other reason why I love 0% interest credit cards, they can be helpful for somebody who is trying to pay off high credit card debt right now. So if you are focused on paying off debt and being debt free and not falling into consumer trap, a 0% interest credit card can be very helpful. You can qualify for a balance transfer from a high interest credit card to one of these 0% no interest and have your own payment plan for 12 to 15 months depending on what the entry period is, and be able to pay off that credit card in full by the end of the term.